Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take care of oily or combination skin. As you can see, there are a lot of products in here and our face really needs face massage and regular care every day. Today I'll show you step-by-step process. The first one is cleaning your face with foaming face wash, or you can do it in two steps. In first step you use facial oil and then you use this foaming face wash to clean out all the dirt from your face. Probably before going to sleep this routine can be done. The next step is activated charcoal pack. Activated charcoal is really abrasive, so it can be done once a week. It cleanses your pore and overall it's very good for our skin as it helps to clean out the skin. The next step is cleansing water or toner. So after you cleanse your face twice, first with oil, second with face wash, still there are some dirt or might be some makeup product left on your skin. So this toner helps to remove all those remaining products, if any, from your skin. This one is from the Face Shop. I found it from Nykaa, and this is for daily repair. As you can see here, you can use either cleansing water or toner. Next one is facial massage. Facial massage is really very important, which we neglect, we ignore. Majority of us got skin problem, but we never use this either kit or manually using our hands, because this one is still not that much popular in India for everyday purpose. Like we go to parlor and then we get this face massage, but on a regular basis in your home we never do. But this is really very important if you want to get blemish free, wrinkle free skin, and if you have oily or combination skin, this step cannot be ignored. The next one is lymphatic drainage massage. We have lymph nodes. You can study about lymph nodes on the internet, and this spoon, using this spoon you can clean out the lymphatic nodes, and from the internet you can learn how to do the massage. The next step is serum. Serum has nutrients, high level of nutrients, which is really needed for our skin. This one is from Oz Naturals, and this is vitamin C skin serum. This one has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and vitamin A as well. You can use any other skin serum if you want. For example, my personal preference is L'Oreal skin serum, and other skin serum I don't have any idea about. Oz Natural one is really good. I am using it and it really helps my skin to rejuvenate and recharge. So this one you can use. This one is also a very important step. Using any kind of face serum according to your age, keep that in mind that you need to buy a serum which is really suitable for your age. The next step is tea tree oil. This tea tree oil is very helpful if you have oily skin or combination skin, and if you have blemishes. This is a lifesaver. For my skin, which is a combination, oily to combination, it helped to remove all those extra sebum. So tea tree oil you can use. This is the next step, and this is from the Body Shop. Here it is. You can safely use this on your skin, and soon you will see that your blemish are getting reduced day by day. Okay, so this is the tea tree oil, that's some kind of essential oil. Next one is Dharma roller. Now this is a very special step, I think, because majority of us Indian ladies, we don't know about this. Micro needling is very important when you want to remove the acne scars. It has micro needles all over the roller, and it remove not remove it actually puncture our skin. It makes tiny holes, and the skin, it wants to rejuvenate itself overnight. And when this process goes on, our wrinkles also get removed. And if you buy this from any online site, like I bought this from Flipkart, you can buy this too. Okay, the next one is aloe vera soothing gel. Now after using that Dharma roller, after doing the micro needling, you need something which soothes your skin, and nothing is better than this aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera, that plant, directly, or this one. This is from Innisfree. This is a Korean brand. Yeah, it worked very nicely on my skin. Next step is vitamin A cream. You can buy this from any medical store. This one is from Johnson & Johnson. Next one is any lip balm you can apply on your lips. This is almost the last step. This one is from Blue Heaven, strawberry lip balm. As you can see, this one is very cute. This is one of my very favorite lip balm. It's small and it smells good, and it's cute. It's really cute. Now we have come to the last step, which is gel or water-based moisturizer. Since we have the oily skin, better to use some moisturizer which is gel or water-based. Don't use something which is cream-based. So this is the last step. This is from Innisfree, and I got this sample. This is just a sample pack. So that's it. Hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching. Bye.